In this video, we'll learn about replace strings, which are a really easy way to make your students feel more welcome and increase student engagement in your Brightspace class. They cause Brightspace to substitute text and can be used just about anywhere you can enter text in Brightspace. In this example, there is a replace string in the class banner, so Cynthia will receive a message, "Hi Cynthia, welcome to the class," that's personalized for her. If another student accesses the class, they'll see the message personalized for them. We can create a personalized message like this by using the simple trick of replace strings. A replace string is an opening curly brace, a closing curly brace, and a keyword in between those two curly braces. When Brightspace sees a replace string, it will substitute text when it's rendering the page for the user. The first name replace string is probably the most popular, and you can Google search to find the whole list of available replace strings. Here's an official looking source from D2L. Probably the replace strings you'll use the most are related to the user, and you can use them just about anywhere you can enter text in Brightspace. For example, you can use replace strings in a content topic, assignment instructions, and even in an email. In this example, I'm looking at assignment 1, and only 2 of my students have submitted it. I want to send a reminder email to the students who have not submitted yet. If I include a replace string in the email, when students view the email, they'll see that it is personalized just for them. This can help increase student engagement in your Brightspace class. That's all there is to it.